Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be looking at the newly added features to the ZAP proxy tool, that is HUD. Now, HUD stands for Heads Up Display, and I must say it is the amazing features added by the developer community to ZAP proxy tool, and it can totally change the way you use to test the application. Now, become moving further, I must say that you have to update your ZAP proxy tool to the version 2.8.0 because it is newly introduced to this version. If you don't know how to update your ZAP proxy tool to the newly updated version, then you can have a look at the one of the previous video, that is on updating Owasp-ZAP proxy tool on Kali Linux. So moving on further, open your application. Look at the second line of the option where we have the intersection option. At the end you will find these new options which were not available inside the previous version, that is 2.7.0. Okay, these functions are only available from 2.8.0 onwards. You will find this radar option here. Okay, it says disable the ZAP HUD or the enable. You can disable or enable this function features from here. Okay, so right now it's an enable stage. You have to enable it. Okay, and after enabling it, you will find the Mozilla Firefox option here. Simply click on the Mozilla Firefox, and what it will do, it will open the Mozilla Firefox browser, which is totally inside the control of the ZAP application. So you don't have to configure any proxy or for setting up the certificate or such things. I must say that you should have Java development environment installed on your application. Okay, so once the browser got open, you will find something like this page appear. Explore your application with ZAP. Okay, open up the new tab and let me open website. So this is the test website. As the HUD function is new, sometimes it may be possible that it doesn't can load. Where what you can do, you can simply refresh the page. If you get this pop-up, that means the HUD features is enabled and it's working fine. Okay, so you will get two options here. Take the HUD tutorial and continue to your target. Right now we are already tutorial mode, so now we will be clicking on continue to your target. You can also select the don't show this screen again. Okay, let me click on the continue to your target, and if you will be not use the, you have got the options which are the similar options which are available on the application on your browser. You can see here and at this edge also. Okay, what are these options? These options looks similar to the open options, right? This side we got the options for adding a domain out scope, excluding from this scope. For this interception, which is off break options inside the ZAP proxy tool. Also we got the alerts. We will find the high alerts, medium alert, low alert and information page alerts. On this side, you will find the different sites we have visited on the browser. Okay, you can find the spider option, active scan options, different type of attack mode which are available on the application. Now, what this feature don't have, again and again switch to browser and application, and again application to browser. uh, Activate these options, activate the interception options. You can simply do on your browser. Okay, let me show you on example. I will search hello. A new page will get loaded with the search hello. Okay, now it will take the time to load, not much time, depend on the speed of your internet. So you can find the alerts here. So it is does not have any error of this page. Let me go back. Sorry, I mean error. I mean to say that the alerts, okay, on this page it has generated alerts which are low alerts, and one is the medium. If you will click on the alerts, you will find what kind of alerts has been produced. Based on the alerts, you can further go for finding that vulnerability. Okay, if you will click on the alert generated, you will find the which domain contains the alerts. Okay, similarly, if I will open the another website, that means open the google.com. Okay, so our Google search bar has been loaded and I am waiting for the options get available for me. Now this totally depend on the internet speed. You can understand what I am saying. Then you can see a different alert has been generated for this page. Okay, that is 6 alert has been generated for the low, and that's for the google.com domain. And if we look at the right side options, okay, you will find the sites, 3 sites. Under this site, you will find all the domains we have visited inside this browser. Okay, if you want to add this domain to the scope, you can click on the first option all over here from the website. So it will ask add current domain to scope and you can say added. Okay, so what it will do, it will simply scan the request from this domain. Okay, now if you want to intercept the request like we used to do in the every application, we have to consistently switch on a proxy tool in again switch to the browser. It can make this process very simple and hassle free. Simply you have to click on the off break and it will on the interception. Now when you will click on the submit button or suppose of the from the website here, we go to the search bar. Okay, so I will simply write the test and click on go. What it will do, switching to the browser, so it will makes it hassle free for us. You can also change the parameter. You will find the post parameter, say search for test. Let me inject a XSS script here. Okay, if you want to forward the request step by step, okay, you can click on the step and it will only allow to one request go further. Again a step it will allow the another one. Okay, and if you want to turn off the interception, you can simply click on the another options here. Let me show you all the request has been or let me load this page. Okay, resend it and you can see the interception is still on here. You can simply turn off the interception from here. For you can simply click on the continue and it will turn off the interception and will allow the all the request move other. Let me show you again turning off the interception and test. Now select test and you can find the continue option from here. You can simply click on the continue and it will allow rest of the request to get forwarded. So I think this the amazing features that is developed by the ZAP community, and I think it will make you work very easily.